Damn! Chill. Do on this. You go. Oh hell! Oh my god! It's galore. Hey, look. Hey. Chill. Galore. Galore. Oh, I can already tell that the birds are ready to. Hey, here. Oh, hello. Oh, this that Kurong is my favorite. A little bit more. Oh my god. Uh-oh. Whoa, Watto is not playing. Hey. Hey, yeah, chill. Ah. Hey. Chill. No. That. No. Oh my god, I have not seen you in a long time. Hey. Ready? Uno, due, tre, quattro. Oh, stop. Here. Alright, listen. Oh, just look at that. Hey. Why are you jumping so far? Oh, no. Oh my! Way more lowkeys. Hey. Where did it go? Hey. Oh no. Okay, Galore. You'll have some of these. There you go. Oh, next. Okay, good. Thanks. Yeah. See? The babies do not like the nuggets. Here you go. Boy. Okay, mate. Hey, stop. No. Oh my god. I'm gonna put some seeds out when we're done. And I'm just gonna... Next is just down there. There you go. What's up? Nixie! What you doing down there? Oh, all of them left. No. Please. Bye-bye, Nixie. Sorry. I want to teach the hey. Why not? Yeah. And then here's something for you can just snack on. Hey. 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 Hey, my lot. Ready? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, I knew it. I knew it. I just knew it. How is there still seeds there? I put like 3. It's a mate. Hello, mate. Here, I'm just take the wax. I'll see. That was a long time. Do you want this? Alright. Okay. You. Hey, chill. 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 Chill! So as you can see here, just zoom in. These are 2 spotted doves, and the one and the one which is and the one which is there, which like that one, is a female, and that one is a male because the female has like a purpley head. Chill. Oh. It's a stare down. There you go. Hey, Glorny. Hey. Stop stealing. Yeah. Bye. Who's who? See, that's next. Oh yes! I think I got such good pictures. Okay, make sure that that he's safe. I can still see him. He's still flying. Now, okay, now he's gone off my. Who the heck is that? Who is that? Who are you? Oh, imposter. Please. Oh no. Okay. Wow, where are you going? Okay, hold on a minute. I love how you just wait at my door. There you go. Whoa. What's up? Oh, hell no! Right, this tiger off. Tiger. Hey. No. 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 But no. Hey. No. No.
Keep it in your hand.
Tiger is getting eight. Oh, oh no. So Tiger's very angry because this guy's here. Oh no. What happens if I just fuck off on a minute? Tiger's very angry. Hey, mate, chill. Here, this is where he there. So he cannot get it. Damn girl. Damn! I have anything, hold on. Go on. Wait. Hey. Tiger is very angry. I should like if I just do. Oh my hell no, man! What the? I'm a larky. Hey. Oh no. Sorry? I don't really care about it. I'm the larky down there. Sorry about that. Hey. Wait. Tiger just tried to jump. Tiger just tried to jump. Hey. And now I have two lion monsters. Okay, this one, since I don't want you to warn on the moment here. Good day. Ready? No. Tiger's angry. Hey. Here you go. I have two flying monsters. Now I have two flying monsters. The Loki is still just waiting there. Just preening. Oh wait, there's two of them there. Two. Uno and a dule. See, like they're both there. Hopefully they'll come. Hopefully. Stop fighting miners, damn. I love that sound. I love how he just goes to like the happy fit. Oh. Wait. Hey, chill. She looked at what the doors. Lord keys. Oh, sorry. I'm still zoomed in. Yay! Oh, like he can't really like. Please. No. See, just look. Ready? Come on. Yay! Whoa, I'm in the village. Collect No, go. How close do I need to get this phone to go to? This one is the baby.
He's bigger, he's chubby.
And the two lorkies are just up there chilling. I'm gonna end the video here, so until then, make sure to like, subscribe, do all the good stuff. I'll tell you guys later, but until then, goodbye. It's a beautiful day in the Berlin one. Peace.